Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and welcome to my Coven. So today's video is going to be a Bath & Body Works haul. If you guys were like a rewards member or exclusive member, we got to shop for one day and I picked up a few things. I wasn't really too like in love with the collection, so I did just pick up some hand sanitizers and a pocket back. And that was kind of it. And then I did go into the store because they were having like a sale. And I picked up a few other things. If you guys want to see what I picked up from Bath & Body Works Halloween preview sale, then just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys are going to hear the fan because it's so hot in my house and I'm like just sweating here, so I had to turn it on. I turned on the lowest setting, so if you hear that, that is why. So this is the box. I got 2 packs of Halloween's hand sanitizers and then a pack of like the fall ones. I am going to be giving some of this away, so stay tuned for that. In October, I'm going to have a little giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the pocket bags and show you guys which scents came in their pack. They were doing, I think the scents were like $5 instead of $8. So I picked up 2 of them. So you're going to have Vampire Blood, which smells really good. 2 Vampire Bloods actually. And then Mood Lit Graveyard. I kind of want to smell this one. I heard mixed reviews on this. Not my favorite. It's very like your grandma's perfume. So, but the color is really pretty. And then we have 2 Girlfriends. So they're not really like new scents. They're just the old ones in new packaging. But this one smells so good. This one and Vampire Blood are my favorite. So again, I picked up 2 packs of that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other autumn ones that I got. These are all different, so we're not gonna have like duplicates of this one. Okay, so we have Lakeside Life. Just looks like this. This one kind of smells like the Moonlit Graveyard one. And then we have Champagne, Apple, and Honey. That one smells good. Just looks like this. Moving on, we have Pear Vanilla. Pear is my favorite scent. Vanilla, not so much, but this one actually smells pretty good. Okay, then we have 2 left. We have Blackberry and Basil. I don't know, they kind of just all smell like the graveyard one. Maybe I have the graveyard one on my hand. That's what this one looks like. And then the last one is Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. Ooh, I actually like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but this one smells really good. Wow, it smells like a bakery during October. It smells so good. So those are the hand sanitizers that I picked up. Again, I have another one for a giveaway that I'm doing in October. Then for the next 2 items from the Halloween preview sale, I picked up 2 of their little pocket back holders. They light up and they glow in the dark. I just got the witch hand one. I got one for me and then one for the giveaway. Just looks like this. It's holding like a crystal ball. It has some rings. The nails are painted. And then you press this little button and it lights up. So I am going to be giving away one of these in October. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to have like a little giveaway of some of my spooky favorite things and we're going to give that away in October. So I just picked up 2 of these. These were $9 each. But I had like a coupon, so I got $10 off everything. So I literally got this bag full of like 15 hand sanitizers and 2 pocket bags for like $24. So that is it for the Halloween preview haul. And I went by pretty fast, but again, like I said, I didn't really like any of the stuff that they had out this year. It was kind of just like not my favorite, but I do love picking up like every time they have new little spooky pocket bags. I always have to get one. I don't know. So yeah, that is it for my little Halloween preview haul. But moving on to the Bath & Body Works haul that I got at the store. They were having a sale on like their car scents. They were $1.95 and then the holder was regular like $6 and I think it was on sale for $2. So I picked up one of these, just a plain black one. And then I got 3 of the car scents. This one I got flannel, you can't go wrong, just trying to get the car to smell all spooky and fall-like. And then we picked up leaves as well, which is like another favorite for fall. And then this one is new, and I actually got this one in the candle. It smells pretty good. It's mahogany apple. I love mahogany teakwood, but I love anything apple as well. So I picked up this one. So I just got these 3 little scents and the little pocket back holder. And then they were having a sale on their wallflowers, and I picked up one of them from the White Barn collection, and it's just in the scent autumn. Again, trying to get all the little Halloween feels I can do even with 90 something degree weather. So that is it for this little in-store haul. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the one-day Halloween sneak peek sale at Bath & Body Works, and tell me how your feelings about it. Did you guys like it? Were you excited about it? I know it kind of got a lot of mixed reviews this year. Like I said, I wasn't really into any of it, so I didn't pick any of it up. I just picked up the hand sanitizers, and I always get a pocket bag holder, so I had to pick one up. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a like on your way out, and I will see you guys next time for another video. And remember, a witch is nothing without her coven.